In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off animated thumbnails on TikTok. So you want to go ahead and launch up TikTok, and then you would want to go to your profile by tapping on the me icon on the bottom right. And then you just want to tap on the three vertical dots at the top right. Then you want to scroll down until you see accessibility. It's under content and activity. It's the last option. Tap on accessibility. And then you can see you have live photo and then animated thumbnail. When that's toggled on to green, that means you're going to have animated thumbnails on your TikTok videos. If I toggle that off, the animated thumbnails will be turned off. So that is a very simple and quick way to turn off animated thumbnails on TikTok. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.